Here we go. So let's pick wisely here.
Ow. I didn't know I was aware of it.
Dead fish, that one. That one's seafood. Seafood.
Dead fish and you're just eating it like, nice.
Salty. That was dead fish, that one. Ooh.
Here as well.
That one's. You try them. I'm eating a bandage.
Where's that gone?
Pepper.
Wait, could be either.
Dorothy, can you send this video to my sister?
Is that nice?
Hmm?
What have you got, Francesca? Is that nice or horrible?
I don't really know.
You don't know.
I know it's got stuck in my brains.
It's got stuck on your braces.
That one was strawberry banana milkshake.